Okay, here we're asked to find the abscissa of the centroid of the region bounded by the line y equals x and the parabola y is equal to x squared. Okay, and the thing is, you should really draw that first. So, oh, it's big. Don't want that. How do we draw that? Y equals x squared is a vertical parabola, right? Vertex at what? 0, 0. Opens upward. Okay? Y equals x. What's that? What's y equals x? It's a line with slope 1. Looks like this. You follow? Or you can just choose any point. Y equals mx plus b. The slope is 1. Or hope you know how to draw that. Okay? Y equals x. Y equals x squared is. Let me draw it in blue. You follow? Doesn't look good. Right? Where will they meet? But anyway, that doesn't really matter. The right side is what we're looking for, right? The intersection will be the region that we're looking for is this region, right? You follow? So, well, we should know first what is this point where they meet. Okay? So the intersection of y equals x and y equals x squared. What is that? Plug in. Shall we say plug in x for y? X is equal to x squared. Where will they meet? X squared minus x equals 0. X times x minus 1 equals 0. They meet at 2 points. X equals 0, x equals 1. So meaning at here, 0, 0, and here, 1, 1, right? Because when x is 1, y is 1. Now, what strip that we'll be doing here? Vertical, horizontal? Vertical, uh, horizontal? Really? We'll try horizontal, okay? For the sake of we're trying horizontal. So if horizontal, let's go for the area first. What's the area of that small thing? dA. The width is what? Y right minus y left. Y right minus y left. How about the thickness? dy, right? And therefore here the area. Yeah, I suggest when you try to solve, you start from the beginning so that it not just the direct formula. It will give you what? It will give you like routine into, you know, because we are engineers. We're supposed to know how to start from scratch. Okay. Y right is what? What's this one? Why I'm saying y right? It must not be what? It's not y right, right? X x right minus x left. This is a horizontal strip, okay? The x coordinate of this minus the x coordinate of that. That's the length. So xr minus xr. Okay? So careful. X right is what? What's this? Oh, so we need to do one more step, right? Because we tend to, so it must be what? So from here, y is equal to x squared. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus square root of y. And that means, clearly, this is the x is equal to square root of y. This side is x is equal to negative square root of y, right? So anyway, so square root of y, right? Minus y left is, and x left, x is equal to y. So y dy from where? From 0 to 1. Anyway, start from y equals 0 to y equals 1. Well, not bad. So then square root of square root of y, or uses alpha x, minus y, okay, over from 0 to 1, right? We're good. By the way, I'd like to thank Binakal for this. It's giving us a good, I don't know if it's legal to use this really. Okay, but I think so. Somebody give it to me. Square root of x minus x. It's what? 0.1667. Okay? The area is 0.1667. That's a horizontal strip. Now, how do you find now the what? the centroid. Now, let's look at the centroid. What are we looking for? Abscissa, right? We're looking only for the x coordinate. Let us see. The x coordinate of this centroid will be, I'll put it in what? What color do you want? What's this color again? Rose. That's the centroid, right? X, C, Y, C. That's the centroid for that. I mean, that's the centroid for this small figure. Okay, what's the coordinate of that? The x coordinate. It must be the midpoint between this and this. Meaning what? That small area, dA, how far is it from what? How far is it from the y-axis? How far is it from the y-axis? dA? It is what? It's y left plus y right over 2. Do you follow? Y left plus y right over the midpoint of this. No. X left, right? How far is it? Meaning I'm doing what? Moment with respect to y-axis. Okay? Meaning area times it's what? How far is the centroid from the y-axis? Okay? The area is dA, that's already known. But how far is it from the y-axis? Well, this is the centroid. How far is this? This is the x coordinate of this one. Okay? It must be x left plus x right over 2. And this whole thing, if integrated, this is just equal to the capital area, the big area, times the x coordinate of that big area, right? So what is that thing? From where? From 0 to, we'll draw horizontal strips from the bottom to the top, from 0 to 1. And what is x left? X left is what? No. X left is x y, right? Plus, because here this line is y equals x or x equals y. Here, what's this? X is equal to square root of y over 2. Okay. What's what? What's dA? dA is I'll transfer this one to the other side. I lost the problem. Okay. So again, I'll have the dA. Where's the dA? The dA is this, xr minus x left. What is xr again? The right is square root of y, right? Minus y dy. Okay? And it's now the calculator's job to do this again. Instead of y, of course, we're just using x here. Please don't be confused. Why are we doing that? It's because our calculator is so used. Oh, no, there's no undo. There's undo here. No, there's no undo. We really need to do something, right? Okay. I'll need to have a what? So I need to put that thing. Instead of y, I'm writing x. Oh, why I'm doing that? Alpha x plus. So it really needs deep focus. So please, when you come here, please sleep before coming here so that you will not be that tired. If you can't, if not allowed to sleep, so just don't do too much before. Take deep breathing. It will help you relax. Okay, this will give me what? 1 over 12. Okay, that's 1 over 12. That's my what? Xc times A. Therefore, Xc is 1 over 12 divided by A, which is 0.1667. And what does that give me? Divide 0.1666667. Gives me a what? 0.5, or that's close to 1/2. Okay? Do you follow? Most likely that's it. Not that hard. It's routine, but actually it's not that simple because you need to understand why are we putting x. I suggest you don't memorize this formula. Feel why are we putting xl plus xr over 2. This is the x coordinate of the midpoint, okay, or the centroid of that area. Don't just memorize, because if you memorize stuff, you'll be confused if we do vertical or horizontal, and then I know you'll run out of memory for that. If not, even if you memorize it, but it's too long to process, you will not be able to solve it in time.